What's going on, everyone? My name's Garrett. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and in this video I'm going to show you how to instantly increase your profit margin when doing online arbitrage. So if you're someone trying to get into online arbitrage, basically the name of the game is which sellers can get these products for the cheapest price. Whoever can figure out ways to get products at the cheapest price possible are going to be able to win every single time. So I'm hoping this video gives you guys some really helpful tips on how to build in additional profit margin instantly without really having to do anything that a lot of other Amazon sellers who are your competition aren't even doing. So you're gonna have an instant competitive advantage over all the other sellers that might be on these listings as well. So I really wanna give you an example of how I built additional ROI and margin into one of my replen products that there's just so many ways to build in margin into products, especially with online arbitrage. So I wanna go in kind of the numbers and how I built in additional margin into this product, which doubled my ROI. So check this out, guys. So I source a product, it's a replen. I've been replenning it probably for the last 4 or 5 months. And the cool thing is, a lot of these stores run monthly promotions and you can get certain products, they run the same promotions every single month. So this product from this specific website does a buy one, get one half off once a month. So every time that sale comes around, I'm ordering this product. So naturally, the retail price on this product is about $17.99. So buy one, get one half off, that comes out to about $24 total for 2. So it brings my cost from $17.99 down to $12. And they sell anywhere from around $25.50 all the way up to $28, depending on how much competition's on the listing. So if I was only selling at, let's say, $25.50, I'm paying about $12 per unit. After Amazon fees, this is a light product, a small product, so the fees aren't crazy. I'm only making about $2.50, which on a $12 buy cost isn't ideal for me. I'll still take it just because it's a replen, it sells extremely quickly. But that's not where it ends, guys. I'm not gonna settle for that $2.50 profit, and I'm gonna show you guys technically how I took my buy cost way down on this product. So the first thing I did was I bought discount gift cards for this website, right? So I bought them at 10% off. So every $100 worth of gift card, I was paying $90. So right off the bat, I'm getting a 10% price cut on that $12. So that brings us down to about $10.80 buy cost, right? So that's an additional, what, $1.20 on top of our $2.50 profit. So now we went from making $2.50 profit to making $3.70 profit on this product just by simply purchasing discount gift cards. So we brought our ROI already up from, like, I think just under 20% all the way up into the high 30%, but that's not where this ends. Not only that, I bought those gift cards with a 2% cashback credit card. And I also use Rakuten on Raise, which is where I purchased the discount gift cards, and got like another 1% cash back, but we're gonna just leave that cash back aside. So the 2% extra that I paid for the discount gift cards I'm getting back on my credit card is going to add an additional 2%. So what does that come out to? About, I think that brings us down about another 20 cents. So now we're approaching $4 in profit on each unit versus $2.50 by simply buying the discount gift cards and buying those gift cards with a cashback credit card. So now we're at 12% total discount on this product. But wait, that's not where it ends either. On this particular website, they were doing 10% cash back through Rakuten. So I got another 10% cash back. Now, I do not like adding the Rakuten cash back into my profit just because you don't get your Rakuten payouts for quite a while. And I really like making my buying decisions on, hey, what can I get this product for now? But that extra 10% is just additional money on top. So now, technically, altogether, we're in at a 22% discount. So that brings us from, what, $12. So we got buy one, get one half off. Then we're at 22% off all in with our cash back, discount gift cards, cashback credit cards. So that brings our total buy cost down like an extra $2.44. So now we're paying $9.40 all in. So now we're almost at a $5 profit per unit versus we started at $2.50. And guys, that's not where it ends either. This website has a rewards program. If you guys are doing a lot of online arbitrage, check every website you're ordering from. A lot of them have some type of rewards program. With every purchase you do on their site, you can get points that will convert into technically cash that you can use to purchase more products. So I think I got another like 3% technically worth of points that converts into cash that can be spent on more products on their website. So I don't know, we went from paying 12 bucks a unit to down closer to $9 a unit. Most Amazon sellers out there that are sourcing online aren't doing this, aren't building in extra margin. And I just wanted to give you this example how we were able to take a replen product that was only like a 20% ROI, and we took it from a 20% ROI to over a 50% ROI just by utilizing simple things that are available to each and every one of us Amazon sellers. Cashback credit card, discount gift cards, Rakuten cashback, rewards point systems that you guys can sign up for on these websites. And I'm sure there's more ways too. Sometimes you can throw in an additional coupon on top of that. So get creative with how you're sourcing, and don't think just because you come across a product on a website and you're only making $1 profit, don't just scratch that product out of the picture, right? Because that could be an opportunity for you to say, hey, let me go look at some discount gift cards. How much cash back are they doing? What type of margin can I create and build into this product that other sellers aren't? Because other sellers might not be taking that at $1, but you might be able to find a coupon, cashback credit card, cashback gift cards, Rakuten cashback, and you're gonna build an extra $2 in. So you take that $1 profit product to a $3 profit product, whereas most other sellers aren't even thinking about that. So get creative with your sourcing. I'm gonna be putting out a ton of kind of tutorials, live sourcing challenges. I don't know, give me some websites below. Maybe we'll do like some sourcing challenges on different websites. That sounds like fun, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, gained some value. If you have any questions, as always, leave me a comment down below. And if you're new to the family, you like learning about selling on Amazon, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave this video a like. I'd love you forever. And I'll see you guys on the next video.